go! Another neat poster. Look at that. Okay guys, here we are on Sunset Boulevard, late at night. Now here's something you don't see in California. Honest to goodness, this is the first time this trip we've seen one actually on the road. Not a big deal, but it's yellow. Pretty putrid. But a real one. What do you think about that, Ferrari?
Yeah, I want it.
You like it, huh? Even in yellow. I think that's enough pictures, Ferrari. Beautiful. Sitting right down here on Hollywood Boulevard. No. Not Hollywood Boulevard. Where are we? Sunset Boulevard.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody. Time for sleeping. Everybody sleepy? Okay. Here we are at the Beverly Hills Car Show. And just parked on the street are some beautiful cars. People just here at the show. Austin Healey 3000 right there. Kick-ass Cobra.
Funny. Shouldn't there be a grill in front?
Nice car.
I remember this car.
Nice Ferrari. Wait a minute. What?
Very old Ferrari Dino. What is that thing there, Goose?
Race cars? Only one. Ferrari. Either $6,000 or $8,000.
Oh, it's just $6,000.
Yes, that's why. It's like,
Those are those 50cc bikes.
Looks like a Ducati. How fast does it go?
Yeah, more over there.
85. Edsel, what a sketch. What? An Edsel, that car was like a bummer. It never made it. They just left their cars.
That's pretty crazy.
Well, and they take you from day very, very, very beginning. This is how you mount the motorcycle. This is how you sit on the motorcycle. Now, I mean, that would have been across the parking lot.